Thank you. There is more mental health care access now in some of the most underserved areas in Colorado Springs. The National Alliance on Mental Health, also known as NAMI, has recently renovated a space on the Silver Key campus. It's on the southeast side of the city. News 5's Eleanor Sheehan is joining us in studio. And Eleanor, NAMI told you they needed more space in order to help everyone coming through their doors.
NAMI says since the pandemic, more and more people are reaching out to them for help. In 2023, NAMI provided mental health support services to over 7,000 people in Colorado Springs. Now with a bigger space, they hope to serve even more.
Historically, it's been a very underserved community. It's been a little bit of a healthcare desert.
The National Alliance on Mental Illness says their offices on the southeast side of Colorado Springs is in the best location possible to help the clients they serve most. In 2019, NAMI moved their offices from downtown to the Silver Key campus near Fountain and Murray Boulevards.
We knew that we had work to do when it came to reaching communities of color, underserved communities.
The executive director of NAMI, Lori Jarvis, says there's lots of stigma surrounding mental health in certain demographics.
There's sort of an ethic, I guess, around keeping your business at home and not sharing it broadly. So that's still kind of a mantra in some of those communities, whether it's the African American community or the Hispanic community.
Jarvis says since the pandemic, the conversation around mental health has become more acceptable.
If there's a silver lining to the pandemic, I think it's that people are more willing to talk about mental health and mental health challenges more openly.
She says more people were asking for help, but NAMI did not have the space to do it. But now, after months of renovations, NAMI has expanded its office.
We just have really upped our game by moving into the space, expanding it. We've doubled the space that we were in.
The new office has rooms like this one, which will provide individuals with more privacy and spaces to meet with peer support groups.
I'm just so thrilled that we have the space to be able to serve more people. The reality is that sometimes it's not just about dollars and cents, it's about what makes sense logistically, and to be able to have a space in place that people can feel that they walk in, they feel comfortable, they feel at home.
The space is located right next door to another counseling center, Silver Key Senior Services, and other nonprofits. Jarvis says they all plan on working together to help accommodate the amount of people needing help.
Jarvis says this year more people are joining their support groups and signing up for educational classes. She says they will be able to hold more meetings and courses in their brand new community room. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, you can call that number on the bottom of your screen, 719-473-8477. Diane.